friends, welcome to my channel Take a Bite with me Ashika. So today's recipe is something very special for egg lovers, and that is egg sukka. This comes out so good. So friends, let's note down the ingredients to make this recipe. So first, here I have taken few ingredients which we use to make a ground masala. So here I have taken 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 Byadage red chili and 3 to 4 Salam Gundu red chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, small piece of tamarind, few black peppercorns and a small piece of ginger which is chopped finely. Then I have taken 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, 5 eggs, oil used for cooking, half onions, 2 green chili slit and few curry leaves, salt as per taste and half teaspoon garam masala, and finally hing. Hing is very important in this recipe, and I have also taken few freshly chopped coriander leaves. So now let's begin the recipe. First, let's heat up a kadai. And once the kadai is hot, let's add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can also use coconut oil here. Then let's roast these dry masalas. So here I'll be adding everything to the kadai, and I'll be roasting this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to roast this on a low flame. Once this releases a wonderful aroma, switch off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Once it cools down completely, let's transfer this to a mixture jar. We need to add very little water and grind this to a smooth, thick paste. So here the paste is perfectly ready. So now let's move to the next step. Once again, let's heat up a same kadai. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add half onion sliced, green chili and few curry leaves. Let's saute it for some time until the onions are transparent in color. So you can see the onions have changed this color. Now it's time to add salt and garam masala. And again on a low flame we need to saute this. So once the masalas are cooked, we need to add the ground paste which I had prepared. So now let's mix them well. Now just to avoid the burning of this masala, we need to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So at this stage, it's time to add the eggs. So let's break the eggs directly to the kadai. So here I am using 5 eggs. You can add more if you want. Now we need to cook this egg as it is. We need not scramble them now itself. Meanwhile, we'll just add the freshly grated coconut to the same mixture jar, and just using a pulse button, let's grind it. So you can see I have just used the pulse button to grind this. So now it's time to scramble the eggs. If you like to have the whole eggs, you need not scramble them. You need to cook the egg from one side properly, then flip them and cook them on the other side. But here I'm gonna scramble them nicely because I like to have those small pieces in the sukka. Yes, I mean to say those small pieces of eggs which is properly mixed with masala, with that spices. That's what I want in this sukka. But again, it's your wish how you want the egg pieces to be. This procedure takes some time, so you need to be in patience. So now the scrambled egg is ready. At this stage you need to add hing and also freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix them well. So once it's well mixed, it's time to add the coconut masala which we had prepared. Add them to the cooked egg and mix them well. So friends, once this masala is added and mixed well, check the salt if needed, and also if you need it to be more spicy, then please add half or 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix them. Once it's well mixed, we need to close the lid and cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Remember to keep the flame on low. After 5 to 6 minutes, the perfectly cooked egg sukka will be ready for you. So now the tasty egg sukka is ready for you. It's very easy to make with very less ingredients. And trust me, it is more tastier than even a chicken sukka. So please do try it in your home and do let me know the outcome in the comment section below. So friends, if you like this recipe, please do give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do go and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting, and thank you so much for watching this video.